when you're using the damper pedal, you use your right foot. You want to keep your heel on the floor and use the ball of your foot to press the pedal all the way down, and then quickly up, down between chords in this case, because you're only playing chords. And the left hand is going to lead the way. The left hand and the right foot sort of move in tandem. So you have A, F, C, G, and your left hand is in this position. So you would play A. The foot and the hand start together like this.
Okay.
And then, like, my finger is going to come up like this, and this finger is going to get ready to go down. And between that, my foot's going to go up and then come back down along with the next finger. And so this, see how fast that is? The up, down, it's like not even a second, probably.
Yeah.
And so I'll kind of demonstrate. So the way I'm demonstrating is we hear connection.
Yes.
But we don't hear overlap.
It's smooth.
And we don't hear a gap.
Mm-hmm.
So a gap sounds like this.
Right, that's
So in that case, the finger and the foot are moving exactly together. There's too much time. It's like they are offset just a little bit. So this is again with connection. My foot goes up as this finger
switches. Okay.
And then this would be overlap, which would be the pedal taking too long to lift. You hear
the echo. Right.
You have the overlap of the one chord with the next chord, because if the dampers are up, the strings will continue vibrating without the sound being dampened. So if we put the hands together, we have up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you see my foot and my hand?
Yes.
So, do you have any questions about that? Does it make sense?
It makes sense. It's just getting my coordination, I think, right. I'm just not very...
It's tricky. Okay, so let's try.